Benefits of supply chain collaboration. Introduction of benefits of supply chain collaboration. Today's businesses are under significant pressure from a variety of sources. These include increased consumer expectations for availability and prompt delivery, a volatile business environment, complicated goods, and severe rivalry for materials and components. Because of these issues, effective demand forecasting, capacity planning, supplier quality monitoring, and order fulfillment are critical for a seamless supply chain operation. These objectives can be met through supply chain coordination. Increasing supply chain collaboration. Companies are prioritizing supplier collaboration to choreograph their supply chains as they negotiate an ever-expanding list of risks and interruptions. According to Foley and Lardner's 2020 Global Supply Chain Disruption and Future Strategies Survey report, 42% of manufacturing executives are undertaking or plan to implement activities to build supplier relationships and promote transparency with suppliers or buyers. What are the benefits of supply chain collaboration? There are 6 powerful benefits of supply chain collaboration are as follows. Number 1. Resilience and agility. A supply chain that can more effectively anticipate and respond to challenges and meet changes in demand is better equipped to reduce the consequences of interruptions or prevent them completely. Number 2. Increased responsiveness to customer needs. Supply chain collaboration increases an enterprise's capacity to satisfy the demands of its customers by increasing efficiency and optimizing and coordinating responses to interruptions. Number 3. Ability to drive business growth. Supply chain teams may better understand requirements and objectives by working with internal departments such as sales, marketing, and finance. As a result, they may collaborate to innovate and accelerate the creation of new products. 4. Improved orchestration. When demand patterns change, firms may lessen the bullwhip impact across the supply chain by aligning different sections of the supply chain by exchanging real-time data and improving communication. Number 5. Operational efficiencies. Collaboration on planning and execution increases operational efficiency while decreasing cycle times and costs, especially when combined with AI-powered supply chain collaboration platforms that may give insights and suggestions while automating routine chores and even certain fundamental processes. And last, number 6. Enhanced forecast accuracy. Sharing information and cooperating with suppliers and partners on supply chain planning and forecasting helps parties reach consensus and increases forecast accuracy. Investing in supply chain collaboration for process efficiencies and bottom-line benefits. Companies at lesser stages of supply chain maturity benefit from collaboration as well, because it allows them to share information across many systems and functions without inundating partners with non-critical data. The collection of data in a data lake provides a platform for AI-powered supply chain management systems to diagnose faults and use analytics to decide the best next course of action. Companies may communicate across various layers of suppliers and partners by using a uniform data architecture and a flexible process to manage information transmission. And, for all supply chains, investing in the necessary technologies to enable smooth cooperation is critical. Regardless of how advanced their supply chain management is, companies may gain enormous benefits from supply chain cooperation. Whether it is cooperation between internal departments to promote innovation or collaboration with external partners to minimize interruptions and maintain timely flow of material and inventory, the benefits are much too great for businesses to ignore. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.